Welcome to all again. Till now we have discussed 4-stroke diesel engine, 4-stroke petrol engine. Now we will discuss about 2-stroke engines, that is 2-stroke petrol engine and 2-stroke diesel engine. I again welcome Shri Jaswant Singh ji to please explain us about 2-stroke engines.
Welcome to all and good morning. Dear learner, dear students, as we have discussed the working of the petrol engine as well as the working of the 4-stroke diesel engine, right? In case of the 4-stroke engine, we have the valves, right, for the incoming of the charge and the outgoing of the burnt gases. But in case of this 2-stroke engine, we have the ports. That means इसमें तो गेट वाल है भैया, और इसमें क्या है, रास्ते हैं, राइट, पोर्ट्स हैं, पोर्ट PORT पोर्ट, राइट, तो पोर्ट से बनाए हैं पोर्ट्स, है ना, मल्टी पोर्ट्स. सो ऑलमोस्ट ऑपरेशन मेथड इज सेम, right? Here we have the spark plug, here we have the injector, that will remain same, but here the methodology of the suctioning of the air plus petrol mixture is different as compared to this one, right? Here what happens, here we have this carburation mechanism, the carburetor basically, right? Here we mix the air and the petrol, then this mixture will enter in this area, in this port, right? So what happens when this piston is at this location? We will start from this location. Just see, here the piston is at the top position, right? I think I have to tell you the basic parts. Almost all the parts are the same. This is the crankcase portion, right? Here it is the cylinder head, and here it is the this is the cylinder block, here it is the cylinder head, right? So this is the crankcase portion of the body, this is the cylinder block of the body, and here it is the cylinder head of the body, right? Here we have the suction port, here we have the transfer port, and here we have the exhaust port, right? So this is the connecting, this is the crankshaft, and this red part is known as the connecting rod, and this portion, this part is known as the piston, right? Here the piston shape is totally different as compared to this type of the piston. Here we have the flat head, but here we have the crown shape, and there is another cut on this crown, so I will tell you this thing also, right? And another part remains main, this is the spark plug. So what happens when you see, just see, when this charge, that means charge, what I am saying, the charge means air plus petrol mixture, that is known as the charge also. When this charge comes to this side, right, it will move in this area, that is the crankcase area, the total area inside the piston, lower side of the piston, that is the crankcase area. The charge gets entered into this area, and when this piston moves downward, this ports gets closed. अब ये रास्ता बंद हो गया है. Now this charge will not come over here. Now the remaining charge is over here. When this piston moves downward, it compresses this charge. This port is also closed by this piston. When this compresses this charge piston, what happens? This charge moves in this transfer port and come to this side, come to this location. When this piston again moves, it gets again compressed, and it will pressurize this, and this charge gets entered in this area, that is known as the combustion area. What happens over here? The charge gets entered into this area, and just see at this position, this is known as the suction part of this fuel inside the cylinder. Now what happens for the further motion? What happens? The charge gets compressed. This port is closed. The charge will get compressed. It will get compressed. Just at the end of compression, the spark from this spark plug gets over here, and it will ignite the fuel, and this fuel will take place the burning, and what after burning, that is when the explosion will take place, and that explosion causes a high pressure waves, and these high pressure waves forces the piston to move downward. So just see at this position also, this port is closed. Now this port is open now. So this is the suctioning of this process will take place simultaneously, and simultaneously we have the power, right? So what happens now? Piston moves downward, and this port is closed, this port is already closed, this port is closed. Now this piston moves downward, and ultimately this port gets relief, right? It gets opening as this piston moves downward, and the burning of the gases will move outward, right? So that means the exhaust will takes place. So that is the exhaust stroke. Power stroke was up to this side, up to this level. Now the exhaust will takes place. Now at this point, what is happening? The exhaust stroke is taking place, as well as the transfer port is opened. Just see. Now to avoid the mixing of this fresh charge with the exhaust gases, we have a shape of this piston like this. So that is known as the squeezing, right? So squeezing is a process by which we get the exhaust gases to come out from this portion by avoiding the mixing of the fresh charge with this burnt gases. So that is due to the squeezing process. Again the piston moves upward, then again the same process will repeat again. What happens? This port is closed now, this port is closed, this port is closed. Now the compression will take place. Now just see, the same working repeat again and again. So I am telling you, now again start from this position, right? Here we have the suctioning, right? Suction stroke takes place, right? Suction of the charge will take place inside the crankcase, right? And then moving downward again further, what happened? The transfer port is opened, right? And this suction or the entry will take place. Here you can say when it was moving downward, what is happening? Just see what is happening. It was the power stroke. It was due to the power stroke. Power stroke था वो जब वो नीचे जा रहा था. So it was the power stroke, then the exhaust stroke, and simultaneously we are getting the suction stroke. So in this case, you can see the working of the engine gets completed by the 4 stroke. Just start again. The first stroke from top to bottom. So this is the power stroke. Then it is the exhaust stroke started, right? Then it is the compression stroke of the charge, right? Then it's come to the transfer port, and it is the suction port, right? So these are the 2 strokes, right? One downward, another upward. Downward में क्या क्या हो रहा है? Downward में हमारा power stroke जा रहा है, इधर इसको compress कर रहा है, right? चार्ज को. अपवर्ड में क्या हो रहा है? अपवर्ड में देखिए, जब ये अपवर्ड जाएगा, इधर से ये एग्जॉस्ट गैसेस को भेज रहा है, इधर से ये सक्शन हो रहा है. सो दैट मीन्स यू कैन से द साइकिल इज कंप्लीटेड बाय द 2 स्ट्रोक ऑफ द पिस्टन्स मोशन, राइट, और द 1 रोटेशन ऑफ दिस क्रैंक शाफ्ट. सो दीज इंजन्स आर नोन एज द 2 स्ट्रोक इंजन्स. हियर यू कैन सी द मिक्सचर ऑफ द एयर एंड पेट्रोल, राइट, टेक्स प्लेस इनसाइड दिस case of this engine. Here we have the crankcase and the connecting rod connected with each other, so we need the lubrication. But in case of this engine, we mixes the mobil oil in the petrol. That's why you have seen जब भी आप तेल डलवाते हैं तो स्कूटर वगैरह में पेट्रोल पंप वाला क्या करता है, एक पाउच उसके अंदर ऐड करता है, राइट? वो किसका होता है? मोबिल ऑयल का होता है. वो मोबिल ऑयल किसके लिए ज़रूरी है? हमारे को लुब्रिकेशन करने के लिए, right? So in this engine the lubrication will get in this way. So but as you can see, in the one rotation you have to burn the fuel again and again. So that means the fuel economy is less in case of the 2 stroke engines as compared to the 4 stroke engine. No doubt the power will be more. Power बहुत ज़्यादा रहेगा, इसका कम रहेगा power as compared to this engine size, right? In the same way, we have the working of the diesel engine. Again, we have the basic difference that means here we have the carburation mechanism, but here we have the injection pumps. All working will remain same. There is again same thing, the suction part, the transfer port, the exhaust port, but here we have the injector of the nozzle. So I think you have learned so many things about the diesel and the petrol engines, about their working. So thanks you all. Thank you.